What's going on, guys? In this video, I decided to kind of cover some basics. Now, this tip can be very good for beginners, but also, I mean, if you're intermediate or advanced, you may already know this, but if you don't, I mean, you might just be doing this like instinctively and not realize it, but it could be a good tip for you as well. I see that you guys are like searching for like basic combos to get started. Now, of course, whether you train at a gym, which I suggest, like with a team and a good instructor, or if you're training at home, it appears that you guys are looking for tips on how to put together some good combos. Now, when it comes to combos, sometimes you do combos that are set patterns that you learned from a trainer, that you learned in your class. But when you want it to become like intuitive, right, to where you don't have to think about it, becomes instinctive, then you want to be able to kind of just feel these combos and kind of understand what you're doing and not just repeating patterns that you were shown. So my tip in this video is opposites, right? So my left feeding my right and my right feeding my left. This is something I teach in my classes. I tell my students, I say, hey, the left is going to feed the right and the right is going to feed the left. It seems basic, and it is, but sometimes it's not often understood or thought about. So let's begin. What I mean by this, guys, I'm starting out. There's my left, feeds my right, yeah? There's my left, feeds my right. My right feeds my left. So you can start in a very basic manner by just throwing one punch and a kick on the opposite side. Again, my left feeding my right. Left feeds my right. Left feeds my right. Left feeds my right. Left feeds my right. Yes? Then, of course, right feeds your left. Now, with that basic understanding, put combos together. Whatever hand you end with, the kick on the opposite side, or the leg strike on the opposite side. So, basic combo, right? 1, 2, then it's gonna be my left, right? 2, 3, gonna be my right. 3, 8, gonna be my left. Could be 1, 1, gonna be my right. 2 punch combos, 3 punch combos, just remembering that whatever you end with, whatever hand, is the opposite kick. Right feeds left. Left feeds right. And then go to work. Huh? So guys, I hope that makes sense. I hope it's helpful to you in your training. Again, this might be kind of beginner tips, but honestly, always remember, it doesn't matter what level you're at, you can always sharpen your skills. So take as much information as you can and add it to your training. I hope this improves your workouts and elevates your Muay Thai training. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.